In this video, we'll walk through the process of adding your Waypoint card to your Cash App, allowing you to seamlessly transfer funds from your Waypoint card to your Cash App account. First, open the Cash App and tap on the profile icon, which will take you to the linked bank screen. From there, select the linked debit card option and enter the details of your Waypoint card, ensuring everything is accurate to avoid any errors. Once your card is successfully linked, you'll see it displayed on the screen. Next, tap on the bank icon and select the Add Cash option. You'll be prompted to input the amount you wish to transfer from your Waypoint card to your Cash App. This can be a custom amount or a predetermined value. After completing the transfer, you'll receive a confirmation that the funds have been successfully added to your Cash App balance. The process is straightforward and streamlined, allowing you to conveniently move your money from your Waypoint card to your Cash App with just a few taps. This integration can be particularly helpful for those who rely on both platforms for their financial management needs.